Hello world! Creating healthy relationship based on love, understanding, trust, and respect for masculine and feminine energy can be a big challenge for most couples. How do we support and accept someone for who they are and what they need and still encourage growth in the relationship? At the male perspective, in order for a man to feel love, he has to feel needed. All males are designed to demonstrate their value and compete for the female by impressing them and proving their worth. If we don't feel good enough, we don't feel lovable, and that make us feel replaceable. Feeling emotionally safe for a man means feeling respected and appreciated. That's why we take criticism and complaints so hard. We don't just see it as we need to work on doing something better. We set it as a reflection of our worth as a man. We desire approval, appreciation, acceptance, and positive reinforcement that let us know that we are respected and loved, which make us want to do more and do better because we actually want praise. Yes, we struggle with ego, and that means feeling afraid of failure and rejection, but we don't actually want to be a coward. We want to be brave enough to love and protect. We need to feel that it's safe to be valuable and open up and still respected. These are not excuses for neglect, mistreatment, or babying us. Men are responsible for growing up and learning how to overcome their fears, but it's easier when we have love and support. When a man truly loves a woman, deep down, he's always going to feel like she deserves better. By Joel Clemons. On Ama post, as she captioned it with, "Which reality are you choosing today? Are you absorbing the noise of the system around you, or are you stepping back into your own awareness and choosing consciously?" The world will always be loud and full of expectations, but the moment you pause and respond from your higher self instead of reacting on autopilot, everything shifts. Your power has never outside. It lives in your attention, your boundaries, and your choices. So today, are you moving from conditioning or from awareness? Love, Ama. One of the best reminder of Ama, as every thought I think is creating my future and I focus on manifesting my best life. Don't downgrade your dreams to match your reality. Upgrade your faith to match your vision. Being ready is a decision, not a feeling. From the largest women's conference in Malta, the Womenly Fest Conference, Ama Maria Secluca knows what it means to be seen by millions. Her international breakthrough came with the role of Laura Bell in Netflix global phenomenon 365 movies, in a trilogy that placed her overnight on the world stage. But fame is not the full story. While audience saw glamour and controversy, Anna navigated the intensity of global attention with resilience, introspection, and depth, continuing to build her craft both on screen and on stage. Today, she leads in the psychological thriller Compulsion film while remaining deeply connected to theater and television productions in Poland, where she lives and works. Her superpower, emotional transparency in a world obsessed with image. Beyond acting, Ama is the creator and host of PS I Love You by Ama, podcast devoted to honest, unfiltered conversations between women. In a culture quick to judge, she advocates for compassion, vulnerability, and sisterhood. Through her platform, she supports awareness campaigns and encourages conscious dialogues about emotional well-being, identity, and the complexity of being a woman in the public eye. She understands something many don't. Visibility is powerful, but self-connection is survival. At Winnie Fest on the panel The Art of Life Transformation, Anna will share what it means to grow under public scrutiny, how to stay authentic when the world projects expectation onto you, the internal shift required to evolve beyond labels, why compassion between women is revolutionary. She represents the woman who has been watched and still choose to be real. Ama is not just an actress. She is a voice for emotional courage in a hyper-visible world. As to Ama, the year of the horse, they say it will be fast, unstoppable, burning with fire. But maybe it's about the choice, about the way you decide 2026, get to feel how you paint it across every layer of your life. The power has always been yours. The question is, are you ready to accept it and use it? Love, Ama. On the point of view of Ama, my dear body, I love you. With every passing year, my appreciation of you deepens. I see you now, not just for how you look, but for the quiet, unwavering power you carry so gracefully. You have held me through every chapter, every rise, every moment that asks me to be more. You are softer than I once allowed and stronger than I ever know. There is wisdom in your curves, memory in your breath, light woven into every inch of you. The older I become, the more I honor you. Your resilience, your sensitivity, your gentle fire that never stops burning. You are not just my body. You are my home, my strength, my living, breathing inner power, and I am so deeply grateful to walk this life with you. On the post story of Michele on the Finding of Love poem, pale at first and cold, like wizard lily bloom, conjure from the gloom like a torch of glow, worn seen through glasses shining green by children haft in fright or Christmas candlelight, fling on the outer snow or tinsel stars that show their evening glory with sheen of fairy story. Now it is place, love dries comfortless, it brings the flowering time, with fly and butterfly, and pigeons in the sky, robin and thrush,
Ciao
and
Michele,
the
ciao,
lonely
grazie.
rush, bird cherry under the leaf, earth in a silken dress, with end to grief, with joy in steadfastness. Oh, yeah. I hope, Michele, you really find that love. On the new post of Michele as he's saying to us that my new single, Something About You, is out now everywhere, guys. One of my favorite song until now. P.S. It's for you and you know it. Michele, Something About You is described as an emotional, moody, and atmospheric song, often characterized as an obsession or a vibe that highlights his unique hunting vocal style. It emphasizes a raw energy and a new distinct sound, frequently paired with intense, intimate, visceral, and content. Something About You is featured on the soundtrack of the film 165 Days, often used to give specific seductive atmosphere. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 59 of the 365 days of 2026. A message to all. There is a difference between how you treat people and how you let them treat you. How you treat them is a reflection of your core values, and how you let them treat you is a reflection of how you learn to survive. These are not always congruent in who we want to be as a person. We can let people mistreat us and still be kind to them, or we can be angry, defensive, or shut down and still let people walk all over us. What we need in order to be consistent, balanced, and true to ourselves are strong personal boundaries and integrity. What this will be give us is strength, courage, and conviction so that we never betray ourselves, our values, or let anyone have the power to control or change who we are. Personal boundaries are the lines that you won't cross. They are the high standard that you set for yourself that represent your values and beliefs, that you hold yourself accountable to so that when you are tested and keep them, then others will recognize and respect your strength of character and stop trying to challenge or change you. Your integrity becomes your guide in life, and you will not be able to invest in people who are lacking in integrity. A people who actually lives their truth cannot tolerate the weakness of hypocrisy and deception. People will know what you believe because your actions will consistently speak for who you really are. Lies have to be protected, but the truth doesn't need to be defended. It stands on its own. Treat people the way that you want to be treated, and don't let anything compromise your integrity if you want to be trusted and respected. By Joel Clemons.